Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Churchill Capital, ticker CCIV. I haven't looked at this one for a while. Looks like it's been going up a little bit here. Here's a look at the last month, 1914. So it's been staying in the $17, $20 range, and here as of last week and yesterday, it looks like it's kind of going up here, kind of having a nice takeoff, so we'll see what it ends up doing here. Let's see here. And here's a look at the last day. So it looks like it's up 9.2% over the last day. If you don't know what this one is, again, it's Churchill Capital, ticker CCIV. Like I said, I've talked about this one before. It operates as a blank check company. It's formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. And so this one's had a lot of talk here in the last couple months. It was in the $60 range. Looks like that was back in here in February. And so it had a great run up then. Thought we were going to hear something about Lucid Motors, and then it just kind of crashed down. And it's been kind of staying in this, like I said, 17 to 20, 22 range. It just kind of depends on the day. And so average volume of 11 million, market cap of 6.15 billion. And so I've talked about this one a couple times. I've been watching it from time to time. Previous close of 21.56, 20 million shares of volume, 11 million on average volume, and 5-day range is 16.17%, and the 52-week range of 960 to 64.86. The market cap, like I said, is about $5.5 billion, and shares outstanding are 258,000. And here's kind of another look at some more of the financials, the volatility. So feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. You can also find this on the bar chart. So here's the 1 month and 3 month. So not too bad of a return. And Churchill Capital, distance from 20-day simple moving average is 17.16%. What to expect, and this just came out here today. Let's start off with the current stock price, which is $22.49 to be very precise. The stock rose vividly during the last session of $22.41 after a opening rate of $20, where the lowest price it went was recorded at $19.78 before closing at $21.56. Recently in the news, CCIV class action updates, and shareholders of class actions and investors are to contact the firm here at this LLC. Right there's the number. And I'll just slowly scroll through. Feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Price records that include history of low and high prices in the period of 52 weeks can tell a lot about the stock's existing status and the future performance. Presently, Churchill Capital shares are lagging minus 65% during the 52-week period from the high period, and 134.27% higher than the lowest price point in the same time frame. Stock's price range in the 52 maintain performance between 960 and 64.86. When it comes to the year-to-date metrics, CCIV recorded performance in the market was 115%. So it did have a great run there for a while, and so if you had it and bought it at the $9 or $10 range, or even 20, and ran it up and sold it at 60, you could put that in the comments. That would be interesting to know as well. And what your future thoughts are on CCIV. Why Churchill Capital is trading higher today, and this is actually dated yesterday. So trading higher on Tuesday after it was reported that Rivian Automotive could seek a $70 billion valuation and its expected IPO later this year. Lucid Motors is set to go public via the special purpose acquisition company Churchill Capital in the second half of 2021. It is reported that Rivian Automotive, the electric truck startup backed by Amazon and Ford, could be valued as high as $70 billion when it makes its way to the public markets. The company plans to start production of an electric pickup truck and SUV in late 2021. Lucid Motors is valued at roughly $35 million based on the current price of Churchill Capital. Lucid Motors held the Lucid User Experience event on Wednesday, in which the company detailed the technology inside its vehicles. And I think that's about it on that article. Over here to Reddit, see if we can find any information. 1 month ago, nothing updated here. Over here to StockTwits. Diamond hands, anyone? I currently don't have any of this particular position. If it does another dip, I might be picking up some. I saw a Tesla 3 driver trying to get to her car and the phone wouldn't unlock it. The key card tool, multiple tries. Lucid gonna take all of them. Huh. That's interesting. So like I said, I've made a couple Lucid videos. They are beautiful cars, so I feel the force on this one. There's a little Yoda action. This thing is a ticking time bomb with upcoming catalyst, merger, vote, start of production, ticker change. What's your favorite thing a bear has to say about CCIV? It'll start. I heard a bear called the Lucid Air Ford Fusion with a Kindle Fire tablet screwed into the dash. That's interesting. And not any other information here. And nothing here on tip ranks. That's all that I have on Churchill Capital. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. And like I said, if you have any other ideas on this one, if you have any information in regards to the ticker change, and if you're still long on this one, it would be all interesting to know. And smash that like button for me and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.